Hello, good morning student. Standard 9 Maths first chapter number 3 Polynomials. Unit from this lesson Operations on Polynomial, and from this we studied last period operations, that is addition and subtraction, and today we study about multiplication and division. For this we take examples from practice set 3.2. There are some examples given in question number 4 and we solve it. So the first, multiply the given polynomial. Multiply the given polynomials. First example is 2x and given polynomial, and another is x square plus minus 2x minus 1. This is first example. Second, x raised to 5 minus 1. Another is x cube plus 2x square plus 2. These are two examples. Multiplication of two polynomials. This is monomial and this is trinomial. Product of both. So write given 2x minus 1, right, and multiply by 2x to each term of this. So product of this 2x into x square, so it is 1, and product of this, that is x cube. घातांकांची आपण बेरीज करतो, addition of index, so it is 3. So product of these two, that is 2x cube. Then this is plus minus 2 into 2, that is 4, x into x, that is x square, and the last term is plus minus 2x multiplied by 1, we get 2x. So this is the answer. Product or multiplication process is like this. This is the first example. Then observe second example. This is binomial polynomial and this is trinomial. So in this example, first multiply by x raised to 5 to each term. So first multiply by x by 5 to x cube. X by 5 into x cube, so it is x raised to 5 plus 3, so x raised to 8. Addition of index number. So it is product of these two, x raised to 5 multiplied by x raised to 3, it is x raised to 8. Then product of these two, x into 2x square. So 2, here is 1, 2 into 1, 2, and here is 1. So x into x square, we get x cube. So plus 2x cube. Now here is 5, x raised to 5 and 2x square, so it is x raised to 7. X raised to 5 multiply to 2x square, and product is 2 and x raised to 7. And the last term, that is multiplying by 2 to given first term, x raised to 5, like this. So we multiply by x raised to 5 to each term of another polynomial, and then multiply by -1 to each term. So here is plus minus minus 1 into x cube minus x cube minus plus, so it is also minus 1 into 2x square, and minus plus, it is also minus 1 into 2, 2, like this. So first multiply by x raised to 5 to each term, these are 3 terms, and by multiplying -1 we get another 3 terms. Then addition and subtraction we studied last period. In this, each term is separate. There are not like terms, so addition is not done here. So this is the answer, no any change, because its index are 8, 7, 5, 3, 2. So these are different terms, so addition or subtraction do not be produced here. So this is example number 2, and the example number 3. 2y plus 1 y square minus 2y cube plus 3y. Similar process. First multiply by 2y to each term. 2y into y square, so 2y cube, 2y into y square, y into y square, y cube, and 2 as it is. Then 2 into -2, that is -4, and y into y cube, so it is y raised to 4. And the last term, that is 2 into 3, that is 6, y into y, y square. 1, 2, 3 terms are multiplied by 2y. And the next is multiply by 1 to each term. So we get same term. 1 into this term we get y square. 1 into this term we get minus 2y cube. Also 1 into this term we get same term, not change. And then in this there are like terms, 2y cube, 2y cube, and here is plus and here is minus, so addition of both we get 0. Then minus 4y raised to 4, this is the first term, and addition of these like terms, 6y square, so taking y square common, 6 and plus 1, taking y square common, 6 plus 1, and remaining last term is 3y. So the answer is minus 4y raised to 4 plus 7y square plus 3y is the product of these two polynomials, like this. So in this way, these are examples in practice set 3.2. This type of examples are also in problem set. Solve it in your notebook. Addition, subtraction, product, multiplication are given. The next point, that is division. Division of two polynomials. Division of two polynomials. So there is question number 5. Divide first polynomial. Observe on page number 43. On page number 43, there is practice set 3.2. Question number 5. Divide first polynomial by second and write the answer in the form dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient and add remainder म्हणजे भाज्य म्हणजे ज्याला भागायचा आहे तो कसा असेल भाजक ज्यांना आपण भागतो ती राशी क्वोशंट म्हणजे आलेला भागाकार आणि त्याच्यामध्ये रिमाइंडर म्हणजे बाकी या स्वरूपात ते उत्तर आपल्याला मांडायचं आहे. So the first example, that is x cube minus 64 given polynomial and it is divided by another polynomial, that is x minus 4. So this is the example number 1 from question number 5. Example number 1. So for this, write given polynomial or dividend in standard form, that is in complete form, x cube plus 0x square plus 0x and minus 64. This is in standard form. Given polynomial, and then process, write given dividend x cube 0x square plus 0x and minus 64. Given standard form polynomial and divisor, that is x minus 4. X minus 4 is divisor, bhajak, and then process. First, the divisor is binomial, so take two terms like this and divide x cube by x. So we get x square. X cube means thrice x divided by x. So x gone, we write here x square. So first dividend or quotient is x square. या x cube ला x ने भागायचा आहे आणि तो भागाकाराला x चा वर्ग तो या ठिकाणी लिहिला. याने आता या दोन्ही पदांना गुणायचं आणि ती पद इथे लिहायची. So x square multiplied by x, we get x cube, x square and minus 4, we get minus x square. Subtraction of both, so their original signs, and change these signs like this. वजाबाकी करताना आपण दुसऱ्या बहुपदीची चिन्ह बदलतो आणि म्हणून हे प्लस आहे ते मायनस होईल, मायनस आहे ते प्लस होईल आणि मग सरळ त्यांची ऍडिशन. सो प्लस एक्स क्यूब मायनस एक्स क्यूब, वी गेट 0. साइन बदलून झाल्यानंतर सरळ बेरीज करायची आहे. हे धन एक्स क्यूब आणि हे ऋण एक्स क्यूब याची बेरीज 0 येईल. देन प्लस प्लस, सो प्लस 0 plus 4, that is 4x square. This is the addition of these both. So this is first term in quotient. भागाकारातली ही पहिली पायरी किंवा पहिलं पद मिळालं. Then take another step, 0x. Then also 4x square divided by this x. So x and x gone, we get a ratio or quotient 4x. So write this at the top. 4x is the quotient. 4x square divided by x, we get 4x. And then product of these two, 4x square plus minus, we get minus 4 into 4, that is 16x, minus, so it is, its signs are changed, त्यांची चिन्ह बदलली जातील. And then addition, plus 4 minus 4, it is 0, and it is 16x. So second quotient is 4x, and the last term, that is minus 64. So 16x divided by this x, we get 16. So the third term or last term of quotient is 16. So 16 multiplied by x, we get 16x plus minus minus, and product of these two, it is also 64. And then subtract minus plus, we get 0, also minus plus 0. In this way, we divide given polynomials. This is the process, and the right answer in this form. Dividend means this term, that is x cube minus 64. Given dividend is equal to divisor is x minus 4 multiplied by quotient is x square 4x plus 3, 16, and remainder is 0, like this. So this is the answer in the form given. In this way we study about dividend. या प्रकारे भागाकाराची गणित, गुणाकाराची गणित पुस्तकातून शोधून काढा आणि त्यांचा तुम्ही सराव करा, सोडवा. अतिशय सोपी उदाहरणं आहेत, तुम्ही करू शकाल. पुस्तकात प्रॅक्टिस सेट मधली घ्या आणि प्रॉब्लेम सेट मध्ये सुद्धा यातली उदाहरणं आहेत. सोपी उदाहरणं आहेत, जास्त उदाहरणांची आवश्यकता नाही. तुम्ही त्याचा सराव करा. आपण इथे थांबूयात. थँक्यू.